So what we're most excited about, like you were talking about the printer head and the nozzle and everything else, absolutely, we're all over that technology. What we'd really like to do in maybe this next generation partially, but definitely in 3G, we want to build Optimus Prime. We want that major transformer that comes out of the truck, transforms out, goes right over the site, starts printing, moves itself from the site with hydraulics and a handheld device, and moves to the next site and starts printing. That's the future of 3D construction, is mobility with the machine and the robot. Right now, most of all of us are gantries or a robot arm, and we're limited big time by mobility and speed of movement from one house to another, from one tilt up or precast job to another. So we're really going to focus on, obviously, our material science department is focusing on material, and then our mechanical is focusing on mobility and simplicity of the machine.